Hey guys, guess who's back again? Yep, it's me. Now we're going to be doing a rewind session which is going to focus on comprehension and reading skills. So let's get straight into it. Now guys, reading involves many different kinds of text, both the written word, the visual text such as adverts, novels, stories, emails, magazines, my personal favorite, cartoons, science notes, or a map or a graph. Now in this lesson, we're going to be focusing on reading skills. Now, since you learn to read, you have known that you have to understand what you read. Your teachers have been trying to help you develop reading skills and comprehension skills. Remember guys, the word comprehension comes from the Latin word comprende, which means to understand. So, since you started school, you've been practicing reading, understanding, and answering questions to show your comprehension for many years. Now, the following kinds of questions will generally be asked. Content or factual questions. Now, these questions are about what, when, who, how long. Questions that focus on the facts and recall the details. Now guys, we only want to know the facts. We don't want to know what you think or how you feel. Interpretive questions, these are questions that demand that you show a little more understanding. For example, why did something happen? How do people feel about something? Now, finally, these are the questions that you guys seem to find challenging. These are questions about the way in which the text has been written. So, for example, they'll ask you, why has the author used this font? How does the punctuation affect the meaning? And what is the impact of figurative language? It's a bit difficult, but with practice, you guys can get it. Now, FAL learners do not have to tackle many of these kinds of questions, so you guys are lucky. Now, you already know that whenever you answer questions, no matter what type they are, you must read the question very carefully and answer it as it has been asked. As our English teacher always used to say, only answer the asked. Then you'll be asked to read a passage, understand it, and summarize it. The important thing to remember is that we summarize all the time. I mean, think about it, guys. If you're sitting in class and your friend says to you, what happened on Generations last night? You're just going to be like, wow, Dumisani stepped to it, like bam. And then you're not going to tell her the whole thing because obviously the teacher's walking in. So when it comes to comprehension and summarizing, don't forget, you've had lots of practice. And this is just an opportunity to show the marker how good your skills are. So while you guys continue concentrating, I'm out.